In this video, we're going to talk about triangle angle sum and the exterior angle theorem for triangles. The first triangle angle sum simply states that the three angles in any triangle must always add up to or sum to 180 degrees. So in a problem like this, where they say find the measure of the angle indicated, you have three angles in a triangle. We know automatically that their sum is 180. So this is your equation that states this. The three angles, x, 80, and 35, add up to 180 degrees. And if you're solving this, you're combining like terms. 80 and 35 is 115. Subtracting your one-step equation here, you're going to have 65 equals x, and that ends up being your angle, so it's 65 degrees. It's preferable to set up an equation like this, even the problem maybe looks simple. It's going to help you for problems like number 5, where they give you two expressions. So in this example, we have three angles. The math is still the same. The three angles add up to 180. So I'm going to have 180 equals the three angles. I'm going to leave empty spaces here. We're going to fill them in. The first is going to be 90, the box. That's what that means right there. Then negative 6 plus 7x and 6x minus 8. Combine your like terms. 6x, 7x, 13x. Negative 8, negative 6, and 90 is going to be 76. Subtract 76 from both sides. It's going to be 104 equals 13x. You divide both sides by 13. X is going to be equal to 8. Now, if you look at the directions, it says find the measure of angle A, unlike this one here, it says find the missing portion. Angle A is right here. That's 6x minus 8. So once we have x, we can now take this 8 and plug it in for x here. So one final step, 6 times 8 minus 8. It's going to be 48 minus 8, or 40 degrees. And that's angle A. So two different types of problems with the same math. You have three angles, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, that add up to 180. Just solving them just takes your algebra skills from previous years. Now, the other topic is the exterior angle theorem, and essentially what it says is the exterior angle is equal to the sum of the two non-adjacent angles. So 136, the exterior angle, is going to be equal to these two interior angles added together. So 136 is going to be equal to 102 plus, we'll call it x. This is the same relationship that exists for all triangles for every exterior angle. Subtract 102 from both sides, and you should get 34 equals x. It's 34 degrees. We're going to use this same equation setup, the same exact math concept over here on the back, where we have some more complex expressions with more terms with x. So let's go with number 15. You have an exterior angle of 106. It's going to be equal to these two added together. So 106 equals 14x plus 2 plus 21x minus 1. Those are your two angles. Combine your like terms. It's going to be 35x plus 1. Two-step equation. Subtract 1 from both sides. You get 106 minus 1, 105. Divide both sides by 35. X equals 3. Again, it doesn't ask you to find x, though. It asks you to find angle G, and angle G is right here. That's 21x minus 1. So you're going to take this value of x and plug it in here. 21 times 3 minus 1. That's 63 minus 1, or 62 degrees. So the problems may look different, but the concept of the exterior angle being equal to the two interior angles is not different. It's the same concept. The equations will just look different. So you have to be flexible with your ability